Interesting video of that.
Yeah. This is Cedar Falls, part of Hocking Hill State Park. It's so pretty. Everything's so steep though. That's what I don't like. If you go over there, it's a little more level here, but and it's really nice trails. But if you go back the way we came, it's so steep. It's scary.
I wonder how deep that, how far down
Oh
this
yeah.
drop.
See, everything's like just cliffs. I hate that.
Okay, I don't know how much pee you got in you, but you keep going.
There's Corey. There's Ferris, the pee machine. That's steep, that is. And that's just like, that's a cliff. It's like, boom, you're gone. So I'm glad the trail's kind of a ways away, but look at that.
Oh,
Boom.
feel this warm spot right here.
Let me see.
Feel that warm?
Let's see. Oh, yeah.
It's just like a funnel.
Maybe from the sun or something?
I just felt a burst of warmth right through here.
Right here. Oh. Oh. Nice and cool. What do you think the temperature is? Maybe 60? 65?
Oh, you want to pull it up?
I can't. I don't have any service.
Oh. Yeah, at least in the 60s, I would
It's a perfect trail. This is a peculiar little bush. It has pine cones on it, but it's like all burned. Isn't that weird? Anywho, but look at these trails. These are perfect little trails. Look at the puppies. Oh, it's warm and breezy now. I feel like the temperature just went up a few degrees. I'm coming, Cor. Come on.
Just right for hiking.
Yeah. It's going to be a warm one today. It's like 80. 80! It's just like not too hot, not too cold. It's perfect for hiking. It's breezy. Just soak it in. Just soak it all in. You're not falling asleep to this, are you?
Maybe. You do one more time first? Here, come here. Come here, come on, this way. Come here, first, come on.
Come on, guys. Oh, he's around the thing there.
One more time.
Come back in the water. Ferris was very brave. He went right in the water.
One more time.
Come on, bud. Oh, you may have to set him in there. How about you, Corey? You want to go in?
Yeah, go more.
Corey's. Oh, look at Corey.
Get your feet washed off.
Ferris just went through the mud. Oh. Come on, you.
Oh, he's in the water a little bit.
He doesn't want to.
Okay, all done. All done. Good boy.
Your turn.
Yeah, my turn.
You have muddy paws, too.
Yeah, I got one. Up and at him. Up. Stay close.
Corey.
Close. Here, I'll let you go with him. Stay.
Go ahead, honey. Go ahead.
If it didn't matter, I just give my balls on me.
Isn't that pretty?
There's something there.
This is a little too wildernessy for me, but it's all right.
Deer love it in here.
Oh, yeah.
Right here for a drink.
And bear. There's bear up here.
Right down here, get a nice drink.
Little deer. Little dogs.
You smell, huh? Something's right there.
They love all the smells. They've been like, had their nose to the ground. Ready?
I think so.
Let's do it. We're going back toward the car.
Oh, watch him here. Stay close.
Yeah. Oh, this is where it gets scary. All right. Nope. No. We're going single file now. Tim, they need to come back.
Yeah. Just like. Stay close here.
See how dangerous that is for a dog? Boom. Cliff.
Right here.
See how it's getting like kind of wild trails now? I mean, we have this nice little walking area, but look at that. That's so dangerous. So straight, boom, cliff. Look at that. Look at that. That cliff. It's like a cliff. It is a cliff. Look at that. Okay, I have to turn the camera off. I can't even stand to look at that. Oh. Oh gosh, I hate that. Okay, Corey, you're coming here. Look at that. It's just scary. I mean, look at that. It's a cliff. This is just not safe. See? So, I'm holding him because, oh my goodness. Look at that. I don't trust him. Tim, you're too close to the edge.
Oh, he's
No, Tim, I don't want you that close.
wait.
I clearly don't like heights. That's so scary. Look at that. You fall, that's it. You're toast. You're toast too, buddy. Doesn't matter if you're a dog, you're a cat, you're a person. Go over that, you're dead. You're toast. Okay, I'm going to sign out because... Oh, now we're coming up on a railed area.
Maybe they're going to continue this. I don't know.
Maybe. It'd be nice. This is nice. See, I feel safer here. An illusion of safe, I suppose. Corey? Corey?
Go this way.
Feels like summer.
Sure does.
We're in southern Ohio, and the temperature or the weather is sure different than Buffalo this time of year. Although it's warm in Buffalo today, so we hear. We're not there. But this is definitely a different climate. Would you agree?
Absolutely.
We're way up in the hills. Hocking Hills. Look at that. Whee! A little muddy.
See, look, you do that trail mark.
Oh yeah, White Trail. Oh dear. Corey, you come back here. I'm overprotective. I get that.
Oh, they're close to DOG up there.
Uh-oh, there's DOG up there.
Photobomb.
Photo bomb. Look at my hair. I'm a wild woman.
I just feel a seat right there.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Oh no, Tim. No. Oh. Corey?
Wait.
Look at this bridge. I am not liking this bridge, but I have to go over it to get back to the car. Okay.
Take a picture right there on the bench, Matt.
Sure.
Okay, sit here. We can take a picture on the bench. Then we're gonna go.
Look at that. It's like iron grates. I don't like that. Over the water, but it's okay. Ta-da! Boo-boo. There's two of my men.
Okay.
Hang on. Grab Corey. All right, Corey. We got to be brave, bud. cast an iron grate. My stomach. Oh, Tim, just go. Just go. Tim, I'm dead serious. Just go. Tim, just go. Oh my gosh. I hate to fly. I hate heights. That's just me. Get over it. Oh. I don't like that. I'm so scared.
Don't look at it. Don't look at the view. Just go.
Just go. Oh my gosh. I'm feeling right now. Oh, I'm feeling scared. All right, come on, guys. We got to go home. Come on. Nope. Come on. Here. Come on, guys. Come on.
Now it's getting hot.
It's really hot now.
Sorry, Corey. Yeah. Okay. That's a good way to wash. Get the shoes washed off.
There's people. Warning, cliff area. You got that right. All right, let's go. Driving through beautiful Hocking Hills. Window down. Oh, good here. Puppies in the back, they're tired. There's Tim. These roads are windy. It's so nice out. It's like being on a roller coaster. I don't like these curves because you never know what's coming up around the corner. And people go fast, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, they do.
Okay. Yeah. Gum. Conkles Hollow. I've heard of cankles, but not conkles. Alright. This is a little more tolerable right through here. Tired? So yeah, man, we're tired. Little sweeties. Aw, you hiked a lot. Up and down hills. Okay. A little daredevil, you. You little daredevil. Ooh, Tim, you're going fast.
That's why I saw that's what I had to break on.
That bird?
Yeah.
And it'll be net. Okay, Corey. You love the breeze, bud? Oh. I don't know how fast you're going.
Yeah, I got my foot off the car right now.